Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make a speed test in the Speedtest application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Go button in the middle of the page. And it will connect to your Wi-Fi and give like an estimate speed of your connection. It's still working, so then it will also like give an upload speed test as well. So as you can see at the top of the page, the download Mbps is 120 and the upload is 47. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.